Hi guys, JOMAC here and welcome back. So today, ituturo ko sa inyo quickly kung paano gamitin yung Cpuid na software. It's a free software para ma-check mo yung specs ng laptop mo. Now, maybe galing ko doon sa ibang playlist ko na paano bumili ng second-hand na laptop, or baka naman may bibiling ka na even desktop or motherboard, or maybe baka may gusto ka lang ibenta na gadget na laptop or desktop and gusto mong tama yung specs na malagay mo. But I assure you, napakadali lang gawin nito, and I will even give you links para ma-download mo yung software. Quickly before we start guys, this will be a part of my tutorial or playlist na ililink ko somewhere here or sa descriptions down below. Yung playlist na to will contain a laptop mga beginner's guide, how to buy a laptop, how to sell a laptop, top programs for your laptop, how to properly clean your laptop, mga parts na pwede mong i-upgrade sa laptop mo to maximize yung usability and power niya. But ang bottom line guys is gusto kong masulit mo yung laptop mo or even for your desktop. I will also create a separate playlist for that. So make sure to check the playlist and also check my description down below. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's jump in. So, okay guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon is just click the download link na binigay ko sa inyo. It will take you to this website. Tapos, i-click mo lang under CPUZ yung Windows. After that, yung next page, scroll down a bit. Makikita mo sa bandang baba dito, may either naka-zip file or setup English. So, depende sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin dyan. But for convenience guys, ang click mo lang yung setup English para hindi ka na mag-unzip ng zipped files. Tapos, it doesn't matter kung 32-bit lang yung i-download mo because even if you're running 64-bit like I am, backwards compatible yung program na to. So, walang magiging issue. If you're using Mac, I'm not sure, but most likely kung naka-OS Catalina ka, hindi to gagana sa'yo. So, once you click on download, siguro mga few minutes lang yan, depende sa connection mo. And after that, i-open mo lang yung file and we will go straight to installation. Okay, so i-click mo lang yung prompt na yon, and after that, choose kung saan mo gusto i-install yung file. I recommend setting it up on your drive C or yung OS drive mo. But also, pwede mo ring i-save lahat ng files mo on a separate disk para in case nagpapalit-palit ka ng computer or gusto mo i-install sa ibang gadgets mo, may kopya ka. So, once you open the program, ito yung makikita mong screen. Andito na lahat more or less na mga kailangan mong information. So, under CPU, yan yung Central Processing Unit. Kung Intel or AMD ka, nandyan yan. Yung cache is basically a spec under ng CPU also. Mainboard is your motherboard. Memory is your RAM. SPD, I'm not sure what that is. Graphics is your GPU. Bench is comparison with other computers. So, depende sa reason mo kung bakit mo nirarun tong program na to. You can use this for overclocking, checking ng mga specs, or baka may game ka na gustong i-run tapos you want to check kung compatible siya sa system mo before buying it or before downloading it. So, andito lahat ng mga makikita mo or mga importanteng specs about your system just to make sure na ikot-ikutin mo yung programs, and I'm sure most of these either self-explanatory naman or syempre pwede nating i-Google because Google is our best friend for 2019 onwards. Ayan, so SPD pala means yung mga RAM slots natin. So, pwede mo i-check isa-isa dito yung mga RAM sticks mo to check kung magkakaparehas sila ng memory. Kasi kailangan sa RAM guys, yung slowest RAM mo, yun yung magiging overall RAM speed mo. So, FYI lang doon sa mga medyo enthusiasts dito. Tapos graphics card, ayun, makikita mo rin yung mga values. By the way guys, disclaimer lang, please allow for the values like voltage and speed for about siguro mga plus minus 5%, and you're all set. Again, that's it for this tutorial guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Again, JOMAC here. I'll see you next time. For watching and peace out. Ano masasabi mo? Peace out, di ba? Gusto mo sila kausapin? Kausapin. Halika. Kausapin mo sila. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Sabihin mo, mag-subscribe. Subscribe ka. Like mo yung video. Anong tutorial gusto mo?